Right, in my bid to actually try and catch up, I am going to spend my first hour, or however long, might be more than an hour and that, but I want to get some stuff done outside, but it's looking a bit out there, so I am going to start by getting these little dahlias potted on. So, right, here we go. Right, next job on the list is to sow my cucumbers, gherkins, and some more straw flowers and calendula. So I've pre-done them, filled them up and watered them. Now, how many shall I do? Probably don't need that amount, but I can easily give some away. These are actually save seed as well from last year. So save seeds, if anything, seem to be doing really well. I'll leave a few just as a backup. Just give those a little. Didn't sieve this because they're big enough, but they can fend for themselves. They'll go indoors though for now. So, oh, right. Didn't do labels, did I? Right, let's put those on there. I'll do them in a minute. Right, straw flowers next. Oh, loads and loads of seeds. Now these do need light to germinate, so I am not going to, oh God, how many do you need really? Never mind, more the merrier. Right. Just give those a little, make sure they've got good contact with the compost. There's none on my hand. No. Right, put that there. Right, let's carry on. Right, cucumbers. Now I am going to 4, 5. I want to do 6, not all for me. So we'll just push those in. I'll do 3 in each pot. That'll be fine. 1, 2. Let's open the other packet. And you want 1. Get in there. Right. That will do for those. And then gherkins. I'll probably do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. Yeah. We were actually due a lot of rain this afternoon. It is looking a little bit iffy, but I am hoping we get some because it's amazing. Things do actually need watering. Well, stuff in pots anyway, for sure. So, right. That's those done. Getting a few bits sorted. Right, I'll do the labels for those and I'll be back in a minute. Right. Next, we're going to do some cauliflower. Now, I am determined to actually get a decent cauliflower this year. Not a massive amount in there though. Crikey. Nothing like you used to get in a packet. But then we don't want hundreds of cauliflowers all in one go. So try and do them reasonably thinly. That will do. Right. Right. 1. And some more calabrese. There is nothing, I mean, any veg you grow at home, you cannot compare to shop bought stuff because, need to get some more of them. The taste is just so different. And I do like broccoli and so on, but the shop bought stuff is just so bleh. No, leave them for next time. Right, let's put them on my shopping list. Oh. It's getting really windy out there again. Right. My God, we're on a roll today. I was going to sow my beans as well, but I think I'm going to hold off for a week or two. There's plenty of time yet because they'll grow so fast. And I want to get some stuff out. Right, I'm just going to sow these just roughly on top of that'll do. yeah, I'm going to get some more stuff out. Hopefully the weather will be a bit nicer tomorrow. And I want to get my sweet peas out. And I need another lid for that, don't I? Sweet peas, my brassicas that are all ready to go out. Oh, God. And a few other bits, but right. They can go. Oh, if I can get the lid on. They can go indoors. Right, now, not sure what else I'm going to do at the moment, but let's take you, if I can get you off. Sorry. Right. Yeah, I mean, the tomatoes, they're all doing okay now. I've potted on some cosmos, and I've started, because they were actually sending out buds, so I've been pinching the buds out at the minute. I want them to get some more growth on. Done the French marigolds today. My little honeycomb tomato, that's actually got, if we can get in there, that's got some flower buds coming. That's done really well. My other tomatoes, they're doing much better now. So the first lot, I'm not sure what happened with, and I'm sorry if you can hear the strimmer in the background. But and my hardy hibiscus, they're doing really well. Every one has germinated, so that'll be. I'm looking forward to trying to grow those to a fairly big size bush. And then the rest of the dahlias that I did today. So yeah, and then I've got the two lots, 2 trays full of stuff to go indoors for now. Right. I love skip hunting, whatever. Can't go past a skip, but look what I've got. There is actually holes in it, so it's not usable. And there's a spider in it. Get out. Yeah, so I've just got to try and find something to plant in that. I could do spring bulbs and so on, but I want something that's going to be around all year, really. So not sure. We'll see what we can find. Let's put that down there. But yeah, I think it's time for a cup of tea because my cup's empty. So I will be back shortly. Right, a couple of quick updates while we're in here, because someone's just gone to make a cup of tea for me, so it's even better. Right, look. We have, you going to focus? No, we have strawberries coming, quite a few. So yes, looking forward to that. And my 2 dahlias are all shooting, which is really good. And these ones in this pot, these have been in here for about 3 years. And I meant to actually split them, take them out and repot them up individually, but I forgot. And of course now they're all shooting, so I might do that. Might do that tomorrow. But we just had a bit of a shower, although it only damped the ground, so it didn't really do much, but it made the cat come running in. This is his new little spot. Noddy, Noddy, say hello. Yeah, he's quite happy in there. Just thought I'd show you in here, because as I'm always saying, I don't actually know where I'm putting everything yet. And then you go shopping. Done it again. Right, got some stocks. Obviously they're not going to go out yet, so they'll have to stay in here. I might I might, oh no, they're not too bad. I might repot them anyway just to make sure. And then obviously, oh, another blueberry. So yeah, I have found a pot to fill that up with ericaceous. So I'll get that done in a minute. And then I now have 2 honeyberries. So I haven't actually got any big enough pots because they're going to have to go in pots, and that for the time being. But I'm going to have to find a couple somewhere. And then this is why I thought, oh right, I'll move the onions off the shelf. I'll put them in here for now out the way. As you can see, I've still got stuff to go out and whatever, but I forgot. I never give it a thought. I mean, yeah, they got some good roots on them, and the ants are under there as well. So I'm going to have to do something with those pretty quick. But it's just all going on. So the peas won't be long before they can actually go out. And the other one's up there. But yeah, and the brassicas, the sweet peas, really, that is on my list for tomorrow because they are really going quite yellowy now. So I'll get those out because I can see one is actually clinging around my onions. So, but yeah, the brassicas I did the other day, they're all doing okay. Calibos and Brussels sprouts. Yeah, that's all right. Those aren't for me. These are my ones. So, yeah. And potatoes. They'll be going out tomorrow as well. Come hell or high water, they're going out. So